All right, in this problem, octagon means there are 8 sides and 8 angles. The sum of all exterior angles for any polygon is always 360 degrees. So, how is this going to help us to find the measure of each exterior angle? Well, 3 of the exterior angles all have the same measure of x, and 5 of the exterior angles each have a measure of 2x plus 7. So if we combine these 3 angles and these 5 angles, we get all 8 angles that add up to 360. Or in other words, 3 angles each measuring x degrees plus 5 angles each measuring 2x plus 7 degrees gives us the total of 360. So let's do the algebra. 5 times 2x is 10x plus 5 plus 7 is 35. 3x and 10x is 13x. Let's subtract 35 from the left side of the equation, subtract 35 from the right side of the equation, and that means we have 13x is equal to 325. So then we'll divide both sides by 13 and obtain that x is 25. So this isn't quite the answer, but we're going to need it. They want to know the measure of each exterior angle. Well, 3 of them are just 25 degrees, right? And the other 5 are 2 times 25 plus 7. So let's finalize our answer over here. 3 angles, each measuring 25 degrees. And for this angle, 2 times x. X is 25, remember? That's 50 plus 7. There's 5 angles, each measuring 57 degrees.